How to add shipping address in Shein. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to add shipping address, you need to have a few items in your cart first. So go ahead and add in items in your cart if you don't already have items in your cart by simply tapping on the product and then tapping on the add to cart button. Once added, tap on your cart on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the checkout page. So select the items that you want to check out with and then tap on the checkout button. You will further be required to enter your shipping address if you have not already entered the shipping address. So go ahead and fill in the required details in here by simply adding the location, your first name, last name, phone number, city, street address, etc. Once done, tap on the continue button and with this, the shipping address will be added. So this is how you can add shipping address in Shein. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.